So here is how to make $100 a day online using a simple passive income funnel on just one platform. So why focus on one platform? Because it gives you faster growth. So every piece of content will build authority in one place. And it's easier to build an audience, so people will keep seeing you. It builds trust quicker. And it's a simpler strategy, mastering one algorithm. Now I'll put the algorithm in quotes because you'll see later on. Platform hopping splits energy and kills momentum. So if you keep switching from TikTok to YouTube to Instagram to Pinterest to X or whatever, it's gonna just keep killing your momentum. So just stick to one platform. First, you'll choose your platform. So it can be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or whatever you choose. So for YouTube, the pros are that it's evergreen traffic, there's trust building, it's slower growth, and higher investment. So you might want to reconsider YouTube if the pros will outweigh the cons. The TikTok, fast growth, easy batching, but short lifespan, and you have to post consistently and constantly. Instagram is strong branding, multiple formats. It's quite competitive, and the algorithm is inconsistent. Pinterest is search based, so it's great for templates, but there's a slower conversion for that. The one that I would recommend you do is to go with either, now, if you've never marketed online, go with either TikTok or Instagram if you want to see like quick wins. If you want to play the long game and you want to build this into a passive income business, then I highly recommend YouTube, as that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to recommend you do it as well. So the passive income funnel goes like this, right? So you create niche content, so you solve problems for a specific audience. You offer a free lead magnet in exchange for valuable resource for an email, and then you direct it to the product. So you link it to either your templates, your courses, or your affiliate offers, and then you automate follow up, right? So you send an email sequence that turns viewers into buyers. So an example of how people do it is they will create content. Let's say you're a student, or you're like a stay-at-home parent, something like that. You create content for some niche that you're knowledgeable in, even if you're just a step ahead, and you basically just talk about it, right? Like, just pick something that you can talk about for hours without getting bored and without getting paid. Then you create a free lead magnet. Now, what is that? It's basically a digital product that you'll create, and you just give it out for free. And the reason why you give it out for free is so that you can collect their emails, which then you'll take and you'll use something like Kit or Gumroad, something like that, and you'll direct them to the product, which can be a link to a template, a course, or an affiliate offer. And then you can send email sequences. I personally don't. You can, if you want to see higher conversions like that. So my journey from $0 to $100 a day was month one. I only made, literally I only made three sales and got $27. Month two, I got just 11 sales, made $99. And then, by the way, my product here was worth like, I think, $10, but taxes and everything just cut out and made it $9. And then month three, I did $33 or sorry, 33 sales, and I made $300. So I started with one Notion template, focused on YouTube videos, and did a simple email sequence using Kit. Now you can scale beyond $100 a day if you improve your conversion rates. So you update the landing page, add testimonials, tweak your copy, add upsells. I personally love upsells. And then bundles. I haven't really experimented with bundles too much, but you can definitely do that as well. And then you can also repurpose content, so you can turn a YouTube video into TikToks, carousels, or even blogs if you wanted to. So some mistakes to avoid is to platform hop too early. So stick with one platform for 90 plus days. So at least 3 months, go all in on one platform, see how much progress you make. Selling too many products. So just focus on one or two products and then expand, right? And then ignoring your email list. So social media will come and go, algorithms will change, but your email list is forever. It's forever yours. So I highly recommend you start building one. So here is your action plan. So you'll pick one platform. I recommend YouTube. You'll build one product. You can use AI plus Notion to do this. And if you stick around, I'll show you how to do it. So set up one funnel. So you'll do content, lead magnet, product, email, and then refine it until it works. So consistent optimization will beat complexity. And focus beats chaos. So you don't need 5 platforms, 3 side hustles, and viral videos. You just need one product, one platform, one funnel, and you have $100 a day formula. Now, how you do the actual thing is the AI side hustle stack. This is a free guide I made. Inside, you'll get 15 digital product ideas that you can launch within a weekend using AI. The best free and paid tools that I use, so you know exactly what to use. A plug and play sales funnel template that you can personally copy, and a niche guide to help you get your first sale even quicker. The link is in the description. It's the top link. Get that, and yeah, just start on it. And if you have any comments or questions, put it in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.